Exponents and powers. Students, I was explaining you about the exponents and powers and the laws of exponents. How you can do the laws, use the laws of exponents. Two of the laws I have told you. The first one was if a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n is there, where a is the base and m and n are the powers, then the power it gets added up. It becomes a to the power m plus n. And the second one, as if a to the power m upon a to the power n is there, then it becomes a to the power m minus n, that is the power is subtracted. Now let us see the third one. The third one says that if a to the power m whole to the power n is there, then this is equal to a to the power m into n, that is the product of both the powers is there when the same base is there. Now let us see the example of this. Example of this as 8 cube, or sorry, 8 square we take. 8 square. Here a is equals to 8 and the power 2 is there. Now the same one is written as, just to see that a to the power m whole to the power 3 is there. 8 square whole to the power 3, a to the power m whole to the power n. Now let us see 8 square. 8 square means 8 into 8, 8 into 8 whole to the power 3 is there. Now this is multiplied to itself 3 times. So you can see that it is 8 is 64 into 64 into 64, and you can just write this as 64 is written as 64 into 64 into 64, 64 to the power 3. Now 64 to the power 3, as 64 is a square of 8, so we can write it as 8 square into 8 square into 8 square. Now just see, if the same number is multiplied, the power is added. 2 plus 2 4 and 4 plus 2 6. As the base is 8, so 8 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 8 to the power 6. Now here 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. So this becomes as 8 to the power m into n. Again you can just see the example, that suppose 2 cube whole to the power 2 is there. Then 2 cube means 2 cube into 2 cube, and 2 cube into 2 cube is what? The power gets added. 3 plus 3 6. 3 into 2 is also 6. So this is 2 to the power 6. So these are the examples of this law, that the power is multiplied when the base is same. Next one is, if two different bases are there, a to the power m multiplied by b to the power m, the power is same, then this can be written as the product of a into b with the common power as m. Now just see the example. 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. Now the bases are 2 and 3 and the common power is 3. Now this can be written as 2 cube means 8 and 3 cube means 27. So now we can write it as 2 into 3 whole to the power 3. 2 into 3 means 6 to the power 3. Now just see how it is there. 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now two factors are there. If we rearrange this as 2 into this 3, then again 2 into this 3, then again this 2 into 3, and pair up these, then this is equals to 6 into 6 into 6, which is 6 cube. Otherwise also you can calculate it as it is 8 into 27, and 8 into 27, if you multiply this, then this is equals to 8 sevens are 56, 5, 8 twos are 16 plus 5, 216. And if you remember out in the chapter of cube, then 216 is a cube of 6. So this is equals to 6 cube. Now next is, if a to the power 0 is there, then this is equals to 1. A to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this is the next law. A to the power 0 is equals to 1. In this way you can solve a to the power m upon a to the power n also. This is equals to a to the power m minus n. Now a to the power m minus n, just see this example, that 1 upon a to the power minus 1. What it means, that this in place of 1 we can write as a to the power 0. A to the power 0 upon a to the power 1. Now this is equals to what? A to the power 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1, that is a to the power minus 1. So a to the power minus 1 is written as 1 upon a. A to the power minus 1 is written as 1 upon a. So you just can see that the reciprocal is when the power is minus 1 and it is converted like this. Now in my next video I will be explaining you some of the examples how to solve using these laws.